Today's video is a fun one. So we are doing another haul. This is another fall fashion haul. We've got some dressier outfits for you. We've got some more casual outfits for you. But this is actually the first time that we are bringing you a haul from some outlets. So of course, we got some really good deals. Everything here is budget friendly today, and definitely some really classic pieces. So they will mix and match perfectly with your wardrobe.
Yes, it was so fun to shop these online outlet stores. I feel like we got some really great deals to share with you today. So we will have everything linked below. Of course, if you are new here, I'm Kelly. This is my best friend, Christina. We make videos all about fashion. So we do lots of hauls, lots of budget-friendly pieces, tips and tricks. So if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us. We make videos every Sunday and Thursday.
We've all had those special occasion or events that have come up and not really sure what exactly it is that we're gonna wear. So one of the things that I find really helpful is knowing which styles work best on my body. So for this outfit, I wanted to share with you a ribbed sweater dress. So I absolutely love off the shoulder, especially in the evening. I always feel more confident showing a little bit of shoulder versus like a plunging neckline or exposing my entire back, or even revealing too much leg. And this dress, can I just tell you, this fabric on it is just so soft and comfortable. But for this particular outfit, I'm wearing it with a pair of heels. However, I think it would also look super cute with a boot. And I picked it up in this black color. So of course, for me, I feel the most confident when I'm wearing the color black, but it's also available in a beautiful camel color and this really pretty ivory. So this particular dress is available in extra, extra small up to extra, extra large, and is available in regular, tall, and petite lengths. So for this particular dress, I actually styled it with this chain horse bit belt, but it would also look really cute with a thicker style belt, or you could just choose to not wear a belt at all. Normally this dress is $100. However, Banana Republic Factory is actually having a great Labor Day sale. So it is 50% off of everything. However, they're also giving you an extra 15% off at checkout. So instead of paying $100 for this dress, it's only going to cost you around $43. So this is a steal. It's a beautiful dress and one that you will feel fabulous in.
So a little while back, we did a video on jackets that every woman needed, and we shared with you some classic jackets that we thought would be great to have in your wardrobe. So when I found this one, I had to share it with you guys. This jacket is by the brand BB Dakota, and it is a faux suede moto jacket. This is such a pretty jacket in this whiskey color. I love this one because it has this cropped hem and a notch collar, and it really is that like classic moto style jacket. This one is actually under $50. I mean, it is such a great deal, and it is available in sizes 0 through 14. It's also available in 4 different color options, lots of really good neutrals. So if you're looking for a good jacket, this is definitely perfect for fall. And I paired this over the top of this beautiful short tie sleeve print blouse. I love a beautiful like printed blouse for the fall, but I find that they can be kind of challenging to find. So this one is in this ivory blush print, but it still has a very like fall look to it with these kind of muted tones. I love the V neckline that it has, and this one is under $30. So such a great piece with these little tie sleeve details. I paired this with my American Eagle flare jeans that are super high-waisted. Shared these jeans with you guys in our jeans video. They are my #1 favorite jean right now. I love the super high waist. I love that little bit of distressed detailing on these jeans. They just are the perfect length for my frame at 5'3", didn't even have to hem them, and they just work so well with so many different shoe styles. They are regularly $60, but they have been on sale for a while for around $36. So if you're interested, I definitely would scoop them up right away. And I just paired them with these Target braided mules. I shared these with you guys in our last fall haul. They're a great pair of mules. They have this braided detailing that is just really on trend. A 3.5-inch heel, and at only $30. $38. I think these are a great addition to your fall wardrobe. So this is just a very casual, comfortable outfit, but I think perfect for fall with lots of great little classic pieces mixed in.
Another go-to style that I look for when I want to feel confident and beautiful is a classic button-up shirt. And I think that it just gives a style of class and sophistication. I also think it really just complements the body shape. But I was so happy when I found this beautiful print. So this is called a Sly Stone print, and how I would describe it is almost like a brown and ivory kind of zebra print. So I loved this print so much. They actually have this same print available in a sweater as well as in a dress. Now, when I tried at the time of ordering to purchase it in the dress, they didn't have it in my size. However, of course, they have it now, so it does look like they are restocking everything, so definitely check back if there's something that's out of stock when you look at it during the time of this video. But I love this print. I just think it's so modern and chic. I picked it up in a size medium. It fit perfectly. Now, this shirt normally runs for $60, but with the sale, it's only $25. So if you like it, it's gonna go fast, so be sure to pick it up. But since I was a little bit more covered up on top, I actually decided to style it with this vegan leather mini skirt in this color Midnight Lily. Oh, I love this color, and I'm telling you, the fabric of this mini skirt is so soft and luxurious feeling. It just felt like butter on my skin. This skirt also retails normally for $80, but with the sale, you can pick it up for $34. They also have vegan leather midi skirts that are available. So if you're someone who doesn't like mini skirts, then this is another great option for you. But I really loved it. You can actually pair either one of these skirts with a blouse, with a sweater, or with a blazer. So lots of different options, but I thought it was a beautiful and classy fall outfit.
So as you have probably seen, I love a great fall floral. I just have to incorporate my feminine style into the fall season. So this little mini skirt really caught my attention. And the thing that I love about this skirt is that I think it's very versatile. So I'm actually going to share with you two different ways that I styled it with some great classic pieces. So this is a floral mini skirt. It has a back zipper. So I actually sized up to a medium because it didn't really seem to have any like stretch on top. I'm glad I did. It actually fit me perfectly. This skirt is under $27, and you'll see that it hits me just a little bit above the knee. So for reference, I am 5'3", so this is going to be a great skirt for you petite girls. Those of you who are a bit taller might be a little short for you. The first way I styled it was very casually, which is typically how I like to dress. I paired it with this lace cami. This cami is under $15. It is such a beautiful one with a V neckline, adjustable straps, and this beautiful lace trim. This cami is available in 7 different colors. So I picked up the pink smoke, which really brought out the pink in the flowers of the skirt. And it's just such a great cami. It definitely comes in lots of great neutrals. I threw this denim jacket on top of it. So this denim jacket was actually one that I already owned. It's not part of this budget-friendly haul. However, it is a great classic denim jacket with a little bit of that oversized boyfriend feel. So I'll make sure to link it below for you. It is a new purchase. And I threw on these Vince Camuto platform clogs. These are so cute. They are under $50. They have this little studded trim, and they give this very like casual boho vibe. They have more of like a rounded toe, like a traditional clog. So definitely something a little bit fun, a little bit different, and a great way to keep this look very casual. But if you are looking for something a little bit more dressed up, I wanted to give you that option as well. And I also wanted to share this absolutely perfect blazer that I picked up. So this blazer is a 2-button short jacket, which it's cropped to the perfect length for my body. I think it's such a good one, and it is under $60. So a classic, beautiful blazer for under $60 by Calvin Klein. I feel like that is just such a steal. This one has these peaked lapels, front pockets. It is fully lined, and I think one of my favorite details is the darted midsection, which really helps to kind of create that feminine waistline. This is available in sizes 2 through 12, so it is a little bit limited, but definitely a good one that you should check out if you're looking for a great traditional, like classic black blazer. And I paired this with some black pumps. So this is something you could definitely do if you have like a more casual type of office environment, or something where you can get away with a little bit of a mini skirt, maybe like realtor, something like that. So, or if you just want to dress up a little bit for a nice dinner out with a hubby, this would be a great one as well. But definitely a great little skirt that you can do a lot of different looks with.
Whenever I am really struggling and just not sure what to wear, one of my go-to tricks is to select a monochromatic outfit, and that's because I always feel taller and leaner. So for this outfit, I found this satin classic shirt. I think it's honestly just so beautiful and really gives a high-end look to just any kind of outfit. So for this particular shirt, you can actually cuff or uncuff the sleeves. You have a choice. For me, I decided just to cuff them since my arms are a little bit short. It also has a beautiful box pleat in the back and a shirt tail hem. So for this one, it's ranges in sizes from extra, extra small up to an extra, extra large. They have regular and petite lengths. I love this classic black color. However, they did have 5 other gorgeous colors. Honestly, I just thought they were so beautiful. This shirt normally retails for $65. However, with the sale, you can actually pick it up for under $28, which is such a steal for a satin shirt. So for this one, I actually styled it with these air stretch taper pants. These pants are very lightweight, super comfortable. They actually have 14% spandex in it, so it has a very like flexible fabric. Also, since these have a more matte finish, I do feel like it's perfect for a dressier or a more casual kind of occasion. You really have that versatility there. And it also has an elastic waist, which I always think gives just a perfect fit to a pair of pants. So for these ones as well, they also range in sizes from extra, extra small up to an extra, extra large. This pair of pants will actually normally run you $75, but you can now actually get it for less than $32. I actually love the Midnight Lily pants, so I went ahead and picked that one up. And for this one, I decided to style it with this off-white crepe top. Oh my gosh, I really, really love this one, and you can get it for such a steal. So it's typically $40, but right now you can actually pick it up for $17. So it actually has a wide waistband, so it's super easy if you want to leave it untucked, or you can do it the same way that I did, which is just to tuck it in. It has cap sleeves and a little hook and eye front closure just to kind of keep that faux wrap in place. It has extra, extra small up to extra, extra large sizes available, and comes in 4 other colors. But I think this is really just perfect for dressing up or down, really with these 3 pieces, whether it's the classic shirt, the pant, or this crepe top. You can style them in so many different ways. You can really mix them and match them with all of the different pieces that you have in your wardrobe just to create endless fall looks. If you saw our jeans video, then you will remember that Christina and I both fell in love with the same pair of Old Navy OG straight high-waisted jeans. So I went ahead and went back on and picked those up in black because they were such a good pair, and I wanted to share them in today's haul. So this is the perfect pair of black jeans. These crop right at the ankle. I picked them up in a 4 petite, but they're also available in regular as well as tall in sizes from 00 to size 30. They're a great classic black jean that are gonna work with so many different fall looks. So for this one, I found a great plaid shirt. And you know, we know some of you love plaid, some of you have told me you hate plaid. I absolutely love plaid, especially in the fall. When you get this Rails plaid at Nordstrom Rack, you save so much money. So this one is actually under $70, which I know is still not inexpensive for a shirt, but when you try this Rails plaid, it's just so good, and it's something that really does last and last and last. And this plaid design, it's never going to go out of style. So this one is really classic
classic in this ivory and cool blush shades. I sized up to a medium to get this very like oversized slouchy look, which I really am loving lately. And I styled this with the same Target braided mules. These mules are actually available in 3 different colors. They're super comfortable. They've got the pointed toe, which is so hot for fall. And I just feel like this is really a look I would absolutely wear casually throughout the daytime or even to go out in the evening. I styled it with a little chain bag to give it a little oomph, and I just really love this neutral fall look.
When I have a event that I'm going to and I want to feel beautiful and confident, a lot of times I'll actually look for dresses. So when it's not a wrap style dress, another type of dress and style that I really love, I think it complements my body shape, are shirt dresses. So for this one, I found a beautiful satin maxi shirt dress in this beautiful color. It's called Luxury Teal. I think it's just so gorgeous and really just perfect for fall. So this particular dress has dolman short sleeves. It also has a self-tying belt. So I love the belt. I really think it adds some shape to the dress. It also has a box pleat in the back as well as a step hem and long side slits. So I just love this satin fabric. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's luxurious. I think it adds a touch of class and style. This satin fabric for this style of dress will normally run you $110. However, this sale, you can actually pick it up for $47. And they've got lots of different sizes available, extra, extra small, up to an extra, extra large. They also have regular, tall, and petite lengths. So for myself, I actually picked it up in a medium petite. I'm almost 5'5", just to give you ladies a point of reference. It does come in 3 other colors. So for this particular dress, you'll see that I'm wearing it with the heel, but I also think that it would look super cute with maybe a slouchy style kind of boot. I think that honestly it would give it a little bit more of like a casual feel. It may even be a little bit more practical if you're living in cooler climates. But this is just a beautiful, classy fall dress that I had to share with you.
So for this last look, I had to share with you this beautiful knotted top. I felt like this was such a great top that you ladies would really appreciate it, because a lot of times you let us know that you don't always like to tuck shirts in, and this is the perfect shirt that does not need to be tucked in. So this one is in black. It has long sleeves. It's a very like lightweight, cozy knit. It has this V neckline, which of course I love. It slips on right over the head. You don't have any buttons or zippers. It's very, very comfortable. And I love the little front knotted detail because it gives you a little bit of shape, a little bit of interest. It doesn't just hang on your body. However, it comes down long enough, just to the right length, where you don't have to tuck it in, but it could also hide a little bit of tummy going on. I think it's one that you will really, really like. It's also available in a white as well as a tan shade. So 3 great neutral options. I'm definitely tempted to pick up some of those other neutrals as well. And I styled it with those American Eagle high-waisted flare jeans that I wore earlier for you. I love these jeans. I can't help it. They just look great with every single shirt. And I threw on the Target braided mules again. As you can see, another one of my fall favorites are these mules. They're just so versatile and on trend. And I love the way that the black and the tan kind of pair together. I think it's just really great fall neutral look. So I also wanted to mention to you really quickly about the shirt that I currently am wearing. So you may recognize this shirt. I've definitely worn it plenty of times here on our channel, but it is one that I picked up in last year's Nordstrom anniversary sale. But I just saw that it is actually available on Nordstrom Rack at 30% off. So I love this one. You know, we do a lot of shopping, a lot of buying, and usually after a season is over, there are a lot of things that we do donate. However, this shirt is one that I think will be in my closet for many falls to come because it's just such a great one. It has a faux wrap style. It has a little front closure. I actually don't love where the little button is, so I actually kind of just do it myself, but it is there to keep everything in place. I love the fall floral print and the classic black color. I think it's a very subtle and soft floral that I feel really confident and comfortable in. I love the little flutter sleeve details, so definitely one to check out if you're looking for some great fall tops.
Okay, so we've shared everything that we picked up in this haul. Let us know down below if there is something that you like, which one you are planning on picking up. We always love to get that kind of feedback so we know what you guys are looking for in future hauls that we do, and we hope that you ladies have a great week.